This place is radical. This giant stone I just found. It's got like steel edging on it. There's like a little ring in here. What the hell is this for? Super old here. If you're in the woods and you find a piece of metal, you have to flip it over. Who knows underneath this piece of metal? No way, not a single frog. Wow. This place is amazing, but also incredibly dangerous. Look. Found a piece of metal in the wood, number 2. What's living underneath? You. Nothing, not a snake, not a frog. Oh, this game sucks. This is a cool example of like a woodpecker tree. Got the holes in this thing. Does somebody live in there? Shall I shine a torch in?